I feel better. I don't think I need to go anymore.
This will be just like last time. Remember? The doctors give you like...
I'm fine, Mom.
I know that you are. But we still need to go. We are leaving for the airport in an hour. Finish packing, okay, buddy?
I'm going to say goodbye to mine. The fun you're going to have over there in Boston. How I would love to go with you.
Can you, please?
I'll come visit when I can. Do you remember that little bird with a broken wing? It was scared and it didn't want to leave the nest, so we kept it safe. And then one day, it spread its wings and flew. Right now, you are that bird. And you just need a little help before flying again.
What if I miss you?
Close your eyes. No matter where you go, I will always be there. In the stars, in the wind, and in all the little things that remind you of home.
Thank you for taking care of me, Nana. When I get big, I'll take care of you too.
I know you will.